Or different companies approach outsourced specialists, outsourced consultants who come in once in a year or so and check the existing data and make the reports for the company. Or now it's becoming more and more popular to use different type of ESG software solutions. So there are several software platforms that have all the frameworks, all the reporting capabilities to allow companies to work with the data and to come up with these reports. But the main thing in all of these cases is the data. Whether it's in-house specialist or it's outsourced company or even it's ESG software, in all of these cases we need data, reliable data on our existing energy flows, on our actions, on our processes. And without the data, these are very, very unprecise calculations. And I have to tell you about one more thing. Similarly, as this with ISO certificates, for example, when a company do reporting, there are quite a great possibility that at some point somebody will check credibility of the data which is reported in the report.